Hello class 8 students. Today I will explain two topics, Golgi complex and plastic. First of all, I'm starting from Golgi complex. Who was the discoverer of Golgi complex? He was Camillo Golgi. After the name of Camillo Golgi, its name is given Golgi complex. What is its location in the cell? Actually, it is present nearby endoplasmic reticulum in the cytoplasm. What is its structure? Now, it actually consists of flattened sac. As you can see in the diagram, these flattened sacs are interconnected and these flattened sacs are known as cisternae and vesicles. That means Golgi complex consists of cisternae and vesicles. These vesicles become larger and form larger vesicles or vacuoles. Now come to its function. What is the role in cell? What is the function of Golgi complex in cell? Actually, it lies nearby endoplasmic reticulum. It collects all the substances which are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum, and processing of that substances occurs there. That's why it is involved in synthesis of glycoprotein, polysaccharide, also it is also involved in the synthesis of cell membrane, cell wall, etc. That means in its repairing also it is involved. Now come to the third function. It is involved in processing. Packaging, and distribution of substances. Actually, these are involved in processing, packaging and distribution of substances, and wherever it is required, it is packed in its vesicle and then sent to its appropriate place. Now come to next cell organelle. Next cell organelle is plastid. Plastid is double membrane bond cell organelle which is present only and only in plant cell. Plastid are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. What is its location? You can see here. Chloroplast is present in green parts of the plant body. Chromoplast is present in colored parts, and leucoplast is present in its colorless part. It performs different roles. Look at here. What is the role of chloroplast? It synthesizes food. By which process? By the process of photosynthesis. Now come to the chromoplast. Chromoplast help in pollination. Actually, chromoplast provide colors to plant body, and due to these colored parts, it attracts insects, birds and other organisms towards itself, and when anyone touches it, it helps in pollination. Now come to the leucoplast. Leucoplast is present in colorless part where it is responsible for food storage. Actually, this leucoplast has ability to store carbohydrate, protein and fat. Now come to the next cell organelle. Next cell organelle is vacuole. Vacuole is different from other cell organelles. Why? Because it is single membrane bond cell organelles. Most of the cell organelles are double membrane bond except vacuole, lysosomes, etc. What is its structure? It is rounded and it's a membrane which covers it from all the side. It is called a tonoplast. It is filled with sap. It is called cell sap. Now, what is the number of vacuole? Actually, in primitive group of animals, vacuole are present and its number is not one, it is many in number, but its size is very small. But in case of plant, when we see vacuole in a younger plants or in younger cells, younger plant cell, you will find these vacuoles are many in number. But as it grows, as it matures, its size increases and all the vacuoles fuse to form single vacuole in matured plant cell. And this vacuole in mature plant cell is centrally located. Now come to the function. What is the role of vacuole? You will see a main role of vacuole is it helps to store food, water and waste. Thank you.